Ready to say goodbye to your YouTube channel? Let's walk through deleting your channel on your phone, step by step. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu from here. Select Manage your Google account. You'll be taken to your Google account settings now. Tap on the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you find the More Options section. Look for Delete a Google service and tap on it. You might be asked to sign in again for security reasons. If so, go ahead and enter your password. Now you'll see options to delete individual Google services. Select the trash can icon next to YouTube. Read the information carefully. This will permanently delete your channel, including all your videos, comments, and subscriptions. If you're sure, check the 2 boxes confirming you understand. After checking the boxes, click the delete button. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is now permanently deleted. Remember, this action is irreversible, so make sure you are 100% certain before proceeding.